Alrighty, just finished up this 2025 Tundra. Just finished it up here at Cosmos Truck Accessories. We equipped this truck with our built package. Check that out. We equipped this truck with our built package, which consists of a 3.5-inch lift, your choice of 17, 18-inch, 20-inch wheels to be able to fit 35s. So if you got one of these Tundras and you're looking for this type of look, let me show you what we did. On the suspension, we did a 3.5-inch lift from rough country, upgraded to the M1 shocks. This is going to be a much smoother riding shock than the N3 from rough country. This is a mono tube design, so it's going to be very soft on the road. Also comes with your upgraded control arms, aluminum forged. Check that out. With this kit also includes sway bar drop brackets. On the rear setup, you're going to be getting brand new shocks as well, and as well as brand new springs. For the wheel and tire package, did these KMC Impact FFT. This is a brand new wheel from KMC, and the nice gloss machine finish. Check that out. It's got a nice spoke design on them. And on the tire, we did a 35, 1250, 17 Nitto Ridge Grappler. The best tire you can buy for your truck. Nice aggressive look. Very quiet on the road. This is a 17 by 8.5 with a plus 25 offset. So it's going to be very minimal poke. This is how it looks on the Tundras with the plus 25 offset. As you can see, it's going to sit flush with the fender, but it's still going to give you that nice off-road look with the plus 25 offset. And with this kit, it's going to make the truck sit leveled front to rear. It's going to fully level it out. Overall, a very good setup right here. Perfect for daily driving. Comment below what you guys think on this build right here. Comment below on a scale from 1 to 10. And yeah, if you got one of these trucks, 22 to 26 Toyota Tundra, and you're looking for this type of setup, we got the solution here at Cosmos. Also wanted to mention on this setup, it is no rubbing on this setup. So this is the perfect wheel and tire spec that you can do with this lift kit. And yeah, if you're looking for this setup, we got you here at Cosmos Truck Accessories, your one-stop shop for your truck's needs, quality service, quality products, expert installation. Phoenix, Arizona.